We broke down the basics of vitamin C in our Vitamin C 101 video, and today we're going to go more in depth about this incredible and temperamental ingredient. Let's dive in.
We all know that vitamin C is a great brightening ingredient, but did you know that vitamin C also stimulates collagen production? As we age, actually from age 20s and onwards, our bodies produce less and less collagen. So your collagen tends to break down a little bit faster, which causes signs of aging and sagging and whatnot. And vitamin C is amazing to treat this because it helps to stimulate collagen production by triggering fibroblasts. In case you're not familiar, fibroblasts are the cells in your skin that help create collagen.
So hyperpigmentation, the pesky dark spots that we all dislike, are typically formed by excess melanin and also trauma on the skin, such as acne scars and wounds. Vitamin C helps to reduce excess production of melanin by hindering melanocytes, which are responsible for pigment.
Vitamin C is actually found naturally occurring in the skin, and it can be found in the epidermis and dermis layers of the skin. Unfortunately, the levels of vitamin C decrease as we age, which is why we become more prone to hyperpigmentation and fine lines and other signs of aging. So when applied topically, vitamin C does penetrate past the epidermal layer of the skin and has been shown to restore those vitamin C levels.
So in our last Vitamin C 101 video, we talked about how vitamin E and C are a perfect pair, and they create this synergistic effect because it not only helps to create this stability with vitamin C, but it also works well to hydrate and protect the skin. And today we're going to talk about what to avoid when applying vitamin C.
So actually, it is a myth to say that vitamin C absolutely cannot be paired with ingredients like retinol, AHAs, and BHAs. There are ways to incorporate all these actives into your routine together. It's just you have to proceed with a little bit of caution. So for example, if you're using a vitamin C product with an AHA or a BHA, you might want to start off by alternating the AHA at nighttime and the vitamin C product in the morning, for example, so that your skin can get acclimated, and then work your way up into incorporating them into the same routine.
A lot of you have asked if you can use vitamin C with retinol, and there's also science that we found out that those two together can create synergy because vitamin C is an antioxidant, and if an antioxidant works together with retinol, it actually really helps to firm and give that bounce to the skin.
So one active we don't recommend combining with vitamin C is benzoyl peroxide. So benzoyl peroxide is a well-known acne treating ingredient, but it can actually oxidize vitamin C when used together.
You might be wondering, can I use the pineapple C bright serum with the blueberry bounce gentle cleanser or the watermelon glow sleeping mask? You can't really single out that ingredient from the blend and the formulation. So our approach to Glow Recipe skincare formulations are everything sort of works together in harmony, and we take the most gentle approach possible. So even though we have AHA in the cleanser, it's a very small percentage, and we added a lot of other soothing and pampering ingredients. We added a ton of hyaluronic acid, for example, for every single product that we have, so that there's this nice balance. So even if you have sensitive, dry skin, you still can get that hydration. One of you guys asked in our last Vitamin C 101 video when you should be using vitamin C in your routine. Vitamin C actually is water soluble, so you can actually use it as your serum step. That's typically when we recommend it, which is why we created the pineapple C bright serum as your treatment. So the way you can use it is cleanse, tone, make sure your skin is prepped to absorb the next step, and then the vitamin C serum goes on, and make sure you moisturize, you're sealing everything in. And you want to make sure that you're applying vitamin C before you apply a facial oil or any oil-soluble products.
One fun fact about vitamin C is that more is not always better. Your skin actually can only absorb up to around 20% vitamin C. So any concentrations beyond that are actually not that skin beneficial. So something to note.
So honestly, we can go on and on about vitamin C. It is one of our favorite topics, but we will stop here for today. If you have any questions though, you can always email us at love@glowrecipe.com.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Get your glow on!